Hey, first graders, I am going to follow the directions here in how to make an ice cream sundae, and I'm going to make some an ice cream sundae for myself, which means I first need to make some ice cream. Okay, so what it says is in a pint-sized baggie, add 1 cup of milk. So I am going to take this bag right here, and I am going to put in it 1 cup of milk. And actually, I'm going to put 1 cup of cream because I bought it already at 1 cup. So I'm going to put 1 cup of cream in here. That should just make it extra creamy. But the instructions say you could use milk too. So there we go. There's 1 cup of milk or cream in the bag. And then it says to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I already put sugar in here. There's 2 tablespoons in there that I already measured, so I'm going to put that in. Okay. And then it says add ½ teaspoon of vanilla. So here I have my vanilla. And I'm just going to put a little bit in there, estimate about ½ teaspoon. I do a lot of cooking, so I can make a pretty good guess on what ½ teaspoon is. And you know what? If I get a little extra, it's not going to be a bad thing. Okay, so I put those in there. And then it says to mix all the ingredients. So I'm just going to mix them up in here. Okay. Got it mixed up. Lovely. And you know what? Just to be safe, I'm going to take this bag and I'm going to put it in another bag. So I'm going to have 2 bags just to help keep it extra protected. Okay, just so it doesn't spill. Okay, so there I have sugar and cream and vanilla. Then it says in a gallon-sized bag, add a half full or fill a half full. It says add, but fill would work better there. Fill a half full of ice and add some rock salt. So some rock salt is salt that hasn't been ground up smaller, like the salt you put on your food. So this one's in bigger chunks. So like that's a piece of salt. Yeah. So I'm going to put some of that salt, pour in with the ice. And that will just help keep it extra cold in there. And then I'm going to put the milk mixture that's in the milk mixture in its baggie into the ice baggie. Okay, so I put that into there. And then I'm going to seal it tight. And then it says to shake. So we're going to shake it for 5 to 10 minutes. It does say to check it every once in a while to see if you've got ice cream yet. Nope, still really runny. See, squish, squish, squish. Okay, I shook it for 10 minutes. And now, ooh, it's like soft serve ice cream. So if I kept going, it would probably get firmer. but sometimes when you make your own ice cream, it's softer than normal. And sometimes people put it in the freezer after they shake it up to make it more solid. But right now, I have a decent scoop to make. Oh, yep. I'm gonna open that up. Squeeze it into a bowl here. Maybe. Kind of firm in there. It's harder than I thought it was. Look at that. Did you see that ice cream? Okay, it says carefully scoop it into a bowl, which I ended up squeezing it into my bowl. And then add any toppings. Look at that ice cream. Then add any toppings and enjoy. So I am going to put some raspberries on mine. Here's some raspberries. Okay. And I think I'm going to put a few nuts on mine. There's some candied nuts I had. And I might even put a little bit of chocolate. There we go, a little swirl of chocolate. And then enjoy. Yep, that's pretty good. Have fun with your ice cream.